Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 more altcoins to buy right now in the month of November. So as you guys can see here, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. We saw some crazy things going on Monday morning. We saw a big pop, then literally a pullback down to where it started off during the day. So currently the market is down about 1.69% right now. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Jasmy, which is currently up about 45% or so, trading at 21 cents per coin. We have our highest volume here, which is Bitcoin at 34.9 billion in volume, Ethereum at 19.2 billion. Meanwhile, right here, Bitcoin is down about 1.2%, Ethereum is down about 0.5%. Bitcoin trading close to 57,000 or so, hit highs of about 59,000 on Monday during the morning and afternoon, and then pulled back down throughout the rest of Monday going into Tuesday. Ethereum here trading just under $4,200 per coin. We see all these other altcoins are literally either flat or down about 0.5% or up about 1% or so, with some outliers obviously that are up a little bit higher, like crypto or Crow right here is up about 4.4%. And we saw some other outliers here, like Elrond, which is up about 10%, Axie Infinity 2.6%. We see Decentraland here 7%, one of the metaverse plays right there. So there's different things going on in the market right now. Obviously, there's always going to be some outliers and different plays to be looked at. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be the Sandbox. So the Sandbox is a huge metaverse play, guys. So this is one of our metaverse, plays for the future that we think this coin is going to do very well in the future. We've been watching this one personally on the channel here since about $4 or so last week. So as we can see here in the past 24 hours alone, this coin is up 27% to $4.94. So this was trading literally at 376 just yesterday, and now it's a lot higher. In the past week, this one is up 76%. In the past month, 552%. So a lot of people, as soon as the whole metaverse hype starts happening, pretty much here at the end of October, people just start to buy in. They're looking for opportunities, looking for plays for the future. Obviously, we have the Sandbox, Decentraland, and many of their altcoins right now that are getting a lot of tractions because of this whole metaverse type situation. So we saw it go from 80 cents here towards the end of October. We saw a huge pop here to about $2 or so, and then we saw a big consolidation pretty much throughout the first half of November, and then another push on higher here in the past week or so from 256 to almost highs of almost $5 and something. So over 100% gains here in the past few days. So this coin continues to move. In the past year, this coin's up over 10,333%, guys. So this was trading at around 4 cents last year, about 4.5 cents in last November. Now we're trading at almost $5. So this coin, if you would have invested $1,000 into this coin in last November, you would have made a lot of money. You would have made $100,000 pretty much right now if you would have held from the bottom right there in last November. So 100K from a $1,000 investment, that is an insane return in my opinion. Current market cap on this coin, if you take a look here, is going to be 4.4 billion market cap. So the market cap is still on the lower side compared to some of the bigger plays in the metaverse area. So we have obviously Axie Infinity, another big play for the metaverse. So Axie Infinity is definitely another play, and it's actually the highest market cap play from the metaverse area at an 8 billion market cap right now. Second one is going to be Mana Decentraland, which is currently at a 7.3 billion market cap, right behind Axie Infinity, catching up slowly. And then obviously we have another big play, which is going to be the Sandbox, which is another play here at 4.4 billion, like we just said. Volume here in the past 24 hours is increasing slightly, 145% higher than usual at 3.6 billion, and then obviously all-time high at 520. So guys, like we're saying, the metaverse plays are definitely big plays right now, and this is just the beginning with the whole metaverse situation. There's going to be a lot of coins that are trading very low cap, which we've already been looking at, that are trading at 100, maybe 200, maybe even 300 million market cap. The only thing about those coins is it's a little bit harder to find them on the market and trade them and do different things like that, because you need different types of wallets, and it's not as easy as just going on Coinbase or some other app and just buying a coin simply like that. You have to download a wallet and do different tasks, I guess you could say, just to get to that coin. So that's why it makes it a little bit harder depending on which coin you're looking at. Like the Sandbox right here, personally, you cannot buy it unless you have a wallet on Coinbase. Meanwhile, Decentraland or a coin like Axie Infinity, you can get in really quickly and easily, and that's why a lot of people miss out on gains, because they do not feel like doing all these extra steps in order to get a coin. And that is actually what I believe is holding back the crypto space because we have so many of these steps that we have to take in order to get a coin. I feel like if it was a little bit simpler, a lot more people would get into these cryptos, and obviously more opportunities for growth. So that is definitely something that crypto is going to have to be, looked forward to in the future as well. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Now, before we get into the second altcoin, we're going to take a quick look here at our crypto bubbles, something we've been doing lately, just to see how the market is performing overall. So we see here in the past week or so, Cocos is up over 252%. We see Gala, which is up 177%. Our top two gainers here in the past, week or so. Then we have Sandbox, which is the one we just discussed in this video, 92% higher. We have VGX, which is Voyager token, which is up over 88%. We have Decentraland, one of the metaverse plays, over 30% or so here up. And then we have MBox, which is up about 50% or so. So we're seeing a lot more green compared to where we were just a few days ago. Here we have Mines of Delarnia, which is up 70%. So we're seeing a lot more green here compared to what we were seeing a few days ago, and less red. So this is definitely a positive sign for any crypto investors here for a possible bull run coming in the future again. So another type bull run here with the pullback that we're seeing lately. Now, let's get into the second altcoin. It's going to be crypto.com, guys, Crow. So you guys know I have to talk about Crow because this one continues to grow higher and higher because it has, a fundamentals behind it, I guess you could say. It's different compared to some of these other coins, and it actually has a business, in my opinion. It was what I'm kind of trying to say, I guess you could say. Something that is backing it up right there, crypto.com. So this one here, in the past 24 hours, is at 4.4% higher, trading at 76 cents. In the past week, this coin has exploded, guys. So if you guys have been following the channel, we've been talking about this coin for a while now. And just in the past week, this one is up over 71%. So huge play here with highs of about 85 cents or so here on November 21st that we saw, which was on Sunday. The coin continues to go. In the past month, this coin's up over 306% from about 19 cents to highs of 85. That is insane right there. 306% gain, which means if you would have invested in $1,000 into this one right before Halloween, you would have made $3,000 profit already just in about a month or so. In the past year, this coin's up over 955%. So if you feel like you missed out, there's still upside potential for this one to continue to grow. Most of the gains literally came in the past month or so from that 20 cents area. It's pretty much been around that area now for a few months. So we've been seeing this explosive play lately because there's different things that, crypto.com, also known as Crow, that is coming out with, and then it's pushing it higher. So current market cap keeps on rising here at 19.2 billion. Volume is down 22% lower at 1.8 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 5 days. It is ranked the number 11 coin on the list, 79% buy activity and 21% sell activity. Now, crypto.com chain is an Ethereum token that powers crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrencies while receiving cashback rewards. And what do people like? Well, they love cashback rewards, guys. People like to get something in return in order for spending their money. It kind of gives them an incentive pretty much for spending money, and some people love that type of stuff. So crypto.com, definitely a coin that could definitely continue to go on higher and higher in the near future. Even though it's already at almost a $20 billion market cap, it definitely has plenty of growth potential, in my opinion. So crypto.com, our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Uni Swap, also known as Uni. So Uni here, in the past 24 hours, up about 1.8%, trading at $21.50. In the past week, this one's making a pullback of about 10%. And then in the past month, down 16% from highs of about $28 or so. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up 412%. So this coin was trading at $3 last November. We hit highs here, obviously, in May at around, $45 or so. Pulled back down with the market when the market was pretty much pulling back until July to about $14. And then we saw it come back up to over $31, which is about 100% gain right there in a matter of a month or so. And now we're consolidating in the low 20s, and hopefully we do not break under, because if we break under, we could go back to about the $15 range, which was where we were during the summer. We're hoping for it to come back to the mid 20s and then potentially even higher. 13.4 billion market cap currently on Uniswap. Volume is up 74% higher than usual at 314 million. Typical hold time is going to be 28 days. Popular ranking is going to be 14, and then we have 49% buy activity and 51% sell activity. Now, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by the smart contracts. So that is definitely interesting. But something to keep in mind is DEXs have a range of risks. So do your own, research. Impermanent loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in smart contracts can be exploited, and anyone can create a token. So watch out for the rug pulls as well. So you definitely have to keep your eye open on that one. But Uni Swap, plenty of growth, plenty of room potential here, over 100% upside potential just to get to the all-time highs, which will bring it to about a 25 to 26 billion market cap. And I think the Uniswap could continue to grow in 2022 and so on after that, in the long term. So that's going to be our third altcoin. Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, we're going to look at the memes. So Dogecoin and Shiba Inu both literally flat here, trading at almost the same amount, about percent up or percent down or so. Dogecoin still here in the low 20s here, trying to survive, trying not to go under the 20 cents area. But how long can Doge hold on? I guess only time will tell us. So here, if we take a look at Bitcoin, this one, like we said, it was trading at 57,000. Then we saw an explosive move here, early on Monday, close to 59,500, and then pull back down literally with the market to 55,000, came back up to about 57,000, and then here on the 1 week chart, we're down 10%, 1 month chart down 5.5%, and then on the 1 year chart, obviously it's up over 210% with highs of 69,000 right there. So about $12,000 away from the all-time high area. $1.1 trillion market cap currently, which is 34% of the crypto market space. Volume here is up 26% higher than usual at 35.4 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 74 days. We see the trading activity here at 69% buy and 31% sell activity. So Bitcoin holding steady with this pullback. Hopefully we do not go under 55,000 or so, or else we might see a further pullback to the low 50s and potentially high 40s. Then we have Ethereum, which is pretty much flat. This one was trading at 4,200, hit highs up here at 4,300, pulled back down with the market all the way down to about 4,000, and then we consolidated back up to about 4,200, literally where we started the day off. Here in the past week, we're down 8%. Past month, we're still up 5%. And then on the 1 year chart, 586%, guys. So this pullback here, only about a $600 pullback, about a 12% pullback here, which is nothing in the crypto space. Obviously, that could be made up in a matter of days. Almost a 500 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume's up 27% higher than usual at 19.1 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 73 days, as these high market cap coins are getting traded more often recently. We're seeing a lot of buy and sell activity. 69% buy, 31% sell activity on Ethereum. But like we said, we believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to grow into 2022, especially as inflation, as an inflation hedge, I guess you could say, as it continues to get higher and higher, and prices continue to skyrocket. Cryptocurrency could definitely be a hedge against inflation. So guys, you guys let me know in the comments below, which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now? What do you think is going to happen in the market? If you guys enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And if you guys want to check out, there's going to be a link in the description. Sign up for Coinbase, get $10 when you deposit and buy your first $100 worth of cryptocurrencies. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.